That is nuts. I'm like, it's got to be low based on the headlights. Yeah, that's it.
love in these streets. Ain't no love in these streets. Ain't no love in these streets. Deep in that water, I'm knee deep. And how you fuck me, but you leave me. Can't trust a soul, look, believe me. Gotta keep a pro in these streets. Yeah, you know third world shit. The biggest to ever do this here. Niggas gon' be niggas at the end of the day, you can't blame for that. Just keep 100 even if you ain't receiving it back. Can't let these streets ain't a game, this ain't for everybody. These bullets ain't got no name, this bitch for everybody. Niggas throw salt on your name and want you dead probably. They in this shit for the fame, I want some change out it. All that fake shit gon' fade away. I say real niggas winning, only real gon' relate. You ain't got no money but you hatin'. Nigga, time wait for nobody. Nigga, fuck that hatin'. I'm so tired of taking losses, man, it's time for me to win. I learned how to hide my feelings, never see me hurt again. Never see me work again, bitch, I'm a whole boss. I got a business in the crib and in the pen that I could doze off. But I ain't taking no breaks, I know that's what they won't see. Word through the wind, I heard some niggas wanna smoke me. I can make one call, I got some killers that'll roast beef. Always got it on me, better watch how you approach me. Niggas acting like they know me. Nigga, you ain't heard, you listen, niggas gotta show me. Everybody got they time, I'ma bust them like a rolling. Everywhere I go, I got it on me, it ain't no secret. Better watch how you approach me. Look, these streets ain't a game, this ain't for everybody. These bullets ain't got no name, this bitch for everybody. Niggas throw salt on your name and want you dead probably. They in this shit for the fame, I want some change out it. Yeah, cause ain't no love in these streets. In that water, I'm knee deep. In these streets, I say these streets ain't a game, this ain't for everybody. These bullets ain't got no name, this bitch for everybody. And they throw salt on your name and want you dead probably. They in this shit for the fame, I want some change out it. I'm on some money out it, nigga, I got 4 kids. My BM on the Fed charge, right now doing a whole beat. Like who else gon' be there for mine? Showing love, I'm tired of trying. Niggas gon' respect my mind, or they gon' respect that I'm. Hey, niggas talk about they problems, shit. Niggas go through way more than a little bit. Niggas still walk around with this bitch with they head up high and all 10 through this bitch. Man, you know third world shit, the biggest to ever do this. On God. Hey, keeping it real like the new face. Damn, these niggas two-faced. Wonder when you down and out, who gon' make sure you straight? I can't find no patience for my bitch, I don't do dates. I can't sit around and wait it out, it might be too late. Out of all the shit that you can do, why you niggas won't hate? Fuck that sitting around and packing, watching what I'm gon' make. Remember it was nothing but that's the last time. Yeah, I get full of drugs, throw back a perk, just to pass time. Feel to get collect and I'ma blast mine. I say stop trusting all these hoes who think she yeah because that ass fine. Before I drop a bag, I crash and blast mine. Yeah, I can't take no loss like that the last time. I told them I'm gon' be a boss, them niggas laugh high. And now they see me taking off, they won't be found now. Yeah, I got in my bag, ain't got no feelings for this shit no more. I cut out my bitch, ain't got no time to go and press no hoe. I fell on my dick, that hurt me bad, ain't do that shit no more. Now my pockets full with rubber bands like I can't fit no more. I can't put my trust in niggas, I can't take the blame no more. Niggas say they riding for you, never when it's time to go. Nigga fuck that talking about it, tell them coming up the scope. You would think I ran out, nigga I want all the smoke. Refuse to let them count me out, remember we was all broke. Before I do some fake shit, I let it all go. Hanging around some snake niggas, I just let the grass grow. Nigga know what time it is, I'ma get the last mo. Remember it was nothing but that's the last time. Yeah, I get full of drugs, throw back a perk, just to pass time. Refuse to get collect and I'ma blast mine. I say stop trusting all these hoes who think she yeah because that ass fine. Before I drop a bag, I crash and blast mine. Yeah, I can't take no loss like that the last time. I told them I'm gon' be a boss, them niggas laugh high. And now they see me taking off, they won't be found now. Yeah.
Jordan made this beat.
I'm in the studio right quick. Niggas keep it 50, so I keep my distance. Where you was when I ain't have a fucking pot to piss in? Do some fun, nigga, and he still out your bitch. Nigga say he ain't eating, but he all up in my kitchen. OG been telling me this shit, but I ain't listen. Nigga be wrong you when you up, and when you down, they missing. So many snakes, I wish I could just hit them bitches hissing. So much of evil, it feel like the devil out to get me. Had a dream, nigga wake me up just like a water park. Buku signs make a nigga cut these niggas water short. And nigga told me don't say nothing, Carlos, you just play your part. I told her if he fake, I ain't fucking with him, and I crossed my heart. I told Trey the other day that I'm stuck with you. We ain't even kin, and you do shit that a brother do. Nigga switching classes like a motherfucking substitute. If you fuck with an op, I'm sorry, I can't fuck with you. And nigga talking about them hoes, how they jumping dick to dick. But what about these bitch ass niggas hopping click to click? Just like I caught a cold, these bitch ass niggas make me sick. Gave my last to niggas when they ate, them niggas ain't gave me shit. That's why I'm in my own lane. Every nigga around me, them niggas doing their own thing. Niggas ain't thinking for themselves, come on, you got your own brain. That's why I be full of drugs, so I can't feel my own pain.
Oh my God. Look.
Playboy on this bitch, man, he ain't playing.
Lately I've been in the streets. That's just how I'm coming. I ain't been picking up the phone. They think I'm making funny. Niggas playing on my top. Must think I'm a dummy. I can't wait to catch you lack and hit you with this tummy. Glock and hold 50 shots. This cut a whole 100. Nigga think that I forgot. Bitch, don't you owe me money? Trapping in the same spot. It ain't no need for running. Ain't no need for us to conversate if it ain't about no money. I don't fuck with niggas cause they 50. Boy, my click 100. I don't want your bitch, she on my dick. You need to get your woman. Same bitch that used to salt me down when I was bumming, look. Same bitch that's on a nigga dick since I got money, look. I don't give a fuck about how you feel, just keep it real with me. I wonder if I wasn't who I was, would you be feeling me? Turned up on the stage, we throwing threes, I got that feel with me. Catch me by myself, shit, I ain't tripping, bitch, that's still with me. And I don't really give a fuck, probably never will. Fuck that boy that's on his hat, I told that nigga chill. Nigga can't be looking for YBs and shit, I'm in the field. Bitch, you talking crazy like you with it, that ain't how you live. Make me bring that pressure to your ass, show you how it feel. Bitch, you feeling played, shit, what up? Come get you a kill. Miley niggas ready for the spin, just like a fucking drill. When it's up, it ain't no coming down, it is what it is. I heard a nigga got a bag on me, get your money back. You see your shooter on my fucking block, he ain't coming back. We certified, and bitch, we up in first, it ain't no dumping back. If a nigga miss you, that was gone, but bitch, we coming back. I'm sorry, this the life I live. You better not play with me. I know I gotta keep my skill, cause niggas hate on me. Move around if you don't keep it real, that ain't okay with me. Cause I can't trust a soul. Fuck these hoes, I got my bae with me. She hate when I be loaded, never sober, cause I play for keeps. You tryna get that pack, I got that gas. Bitch, come fuck with me. Run up on me, stunt, pow, pow, knock you off your feet. That's what you get. Since you won't be seen, put you on a tee. And I had to run that bitch like that. You heard me? Oh my God. You know, we feel town living, you know, third world. You know, fuck a nigga head, he shouldn't have had it out there. Fuck if I ain't posted at the store, I'm probably in the back. Every nigga wrong me do that shit, they all got a pack. I heard you niggas out there broke, you better get a sack. Come around here flexing with your shit, then you getting jacked. And that's on guard, bitch ass nigga. Oh my God, bitch, look. And bitch, I swear to God, nigga. Shit, I put that on that third. Oh my God, fuck what you heard, look. Hey, yeah. Another day, another dollar, another problem I got. I don't need no new friends, good with the partners I got. Fuck the love, I chose drugs for the problems I got. All this pain, that money brain, I still keep me a knot. Don't give a fuck about who changed, you rolling with me or not. Niggas do anything for fame, well let me give you a shot. And I say my heart been so cold. I got an icebox with my chest, that nigga bet not disrespect this. I'm a FaceTime fuck a message, ain't no texting back. Yeah, how about send them bitches, check the news, news like what you seen that. You ain't gotta ask me what I'm on, bitch, I'm leaning. And I got that shit on when I step, I'm the cleanest. Party on my side, fuck a belt, I don't need it. Play, I blow this bitch like a rep, and I mean it. Excited weed stuck up in my blunt, that's all a nigga smoke. With a big ass pistol on my waist, that's all a nigga tote. Why these niggas hating on my dick, that's why these niggas broke. Yeah, just like some flies, I'm on my shit and all these bitches know. I whip my shit straight out the stove, don't need no scale, I go and score. They drop the bag, I'm going show. Don't give a fuck who hood I'm in. Anywhere I go, I'm good. Anywhere I go, I'm straight. Only fuck with real niggas. Fake shit, I can't relate. You broke, you can't participate. I can't have that shit around. Wonder if it all fall. Who the fuck go hold me down? Well, that shit ain't hard to tell. Them niggas wrong, go hold your back. They fucking up the game. Can't trust a thing. The streets that show me another day, another dollar, another problem. I got an icebox with my chest, that nigga bet not disrespect this. I'm a FaceTime, fuck a message, ain't no texting back. Yeah, hop out, send them bitches, check the news like bitch, you seen that. You ain't gotta ask me what I'm on, bitch, I'm leaning. And I got that shit on when I step, I'm the cleanest. Nigga, I can't trust my blood, so I don't gang bang. Every day I wake up, it's the same damn thing. I say last time was the last time. So many times I had your back and you ain't have mine. Oh my God. Nigga, I can't trust my blood, so I don't gang bang. Every day I wake up, it's the same damn thing. I say last time was the last time. So many times I had your back and you ain't have mine. Oh my God. I had to stand up on my own 10. Never put my faith in men. Niggas, they go let you down soon as they get the upper hand. Blood, they go try you first, that's why I don't really fuck with Ken. Never put my trust in friends and never leave me stuck again. I took too many losses for them, now it's time for me to win. If I used to fuck with you, we'll never link again. Probably never speak again. Bitch, I'm on my own time. Nigga can't take shit from me. Nigga know I own mine. I can't trust my blood, so I don't gang bang. Every day I wake up, it's the same damn thing. I say last time was the last time. So many times I had your back and you ain't have mine. Oh my God. Nigga, I can't trust my blood, so I don't gang. Bang, bang. Every day I wake up, it's the same damn thing. I say last time was the last time. So many times I had your back and you ain't have mine. Oh my God. Be on some new shit, on some true shit. Come on. I just be want my fans to understand this shit now, man. I'm on a whole nother time zone. Like, I'm getting a whole nother type of bag. Like, I'm in a whole nother world. Like, I'm on a whole nother time zone. Like, I'll go through way more different shit than I used to go through. Like, shit getting serious every fucking day. Like this shit crazy. Like this shit getting. Ain't no complaining in these streets cause it ain't safe outside. She know I was a star, I parked the rape outside. Who know I couldn't as fuck, ain't let you waste my time. Too real and 100, know they hate my kind. They say you acting funny, I'm just on my grind. Some bullshit, the last thing on my mind. I'm tryna mind my business, nigga, mind yours. For a bullet be in your head when they find yours. Cause if it ain't about no money, I ain't got time for it. I ain't got nothing to prove. I got a lot up on the line, I got some shit to lose. These niggas playing both sides, I ain't got time to make them pick and choose. He's on this shit, you know one thing, he going win or lose. Yeah, I'm scoring on these niggas. I'm feeling like I'm Kobe in his prime. I hope they know they die, they fuck with mine. I'm coming get you just a matter of time. It ain't no way you running off with mine. These days, you barely make it to the mall. The sky the only time you see a star. Put trust in niggas left me with a scar. It's loyalty over love to the day that we depart. Yeah, cause these days, niggas ain't showing who they are. These hoes just want some money and give a fuck about who you are. Why you can't keep it 100, why you can't just play your part? Man, I think this shit went real from the start. Gambling with love got me scared to lose again. Trusting people that's gon' hurt me at the end. I can feel a fake vibe from a mile away. It's like I never speak my mind, but I got time today. Yeah, hey, nigga, I got time today. Hey, I got time today. You know, real niggas last forever. All that fake shit gon' fade away. You know what I'm saying? You know, birds of a feather flock together, but not in this type of weather. You know what I'm saying? You know, big third world shit. You know what I'm saying? Big B's are the biggest to ever do this here. You know what I'm saying? All the losses made me a boss. You know what I'm saying? Nigga don't lose nothing but life, everything else less. You know what I'm saying? Niggas sitting around this bitch stressing about nothing. You better get on your shit. You know what I'm saying? Fuck a hoe, man. Whoever stress about a bitch. You know what I'm saying? Better stay on your grind till you. Hey, look, better stay on your grind, nigga. Stop wasting time, nigga. Hey, ain't no complaining in these streets cause it ain't safe outside. She know I was a star, parked the rape outside. Who knew I couldn't as fuck, ain't let them waste my time. Too real and 100, know they hate my kind. They say I'm making fun, I'm just on my grind. You better mind your business, bitch, I'm tryna mind. Oh my God, hey. But right now, nigga, I'm on way too many drugs, way too many pistols, I got way too many slugs, way too many gangsters, I had way too many thugs. I'm on way too many drugs, I'm on way too many, way too many drugs, I'm on way too many, way too many drugs, I'm on way too many, way too many drugs. Nigga play some game tonight, I'll pop his ass on sight. My nigga pull up on a bike. Bitch, I'm high as a kite. Niggas press that line up, you fucking lose your life. Way too many slugs. I just popped another perk, that's way too many drugs. Pistols, ain't many thugs. With a shell catcher, ain't too many. I'm on way too many, that I can't afford. I got way too many hoes, I only fuck with one on board. I be ballin' on these niggas, look, but I ain't in the sport. I go spinning by myself, don't need you pointing at me in court. I'm on way too many drugs, don't play no music in my ride. Mr. Perky with the ad, the only time that I get high. Got a super bad bitch, but look, she better not kill my vibe. Got one hand on the wheel, the other hand between her thighs. You could tell I'm with the shit, look me in my eyes. All these niggas claim they out you, when they see me, they surprised. Nigga can't be looking for me, I'm in my bag, I never hide. With that pistol on my side, I be solo when I ride. I'm on way too many drugs, I'm on way too many, way too many drugs, I'm on way too many, way too many drugs, I'm on way too many, way too many drugs. Nigga play some game tonight, I'll pop his ass on sight. My nigga pull up on a bike. Bitch, I'm high as a kite. Niggas press that line up, you fucking lose your life. Way too many drugs, I'm on way too many. Way too many drugs, I'm on way too many. Way too many drugs, I'm on way too many. Way too many drugs, look, nigga play some game tonight, I pop his ass on sight. You don't want my problems, you gon' fucking lose your life. Play with me today, I drop that bag by the night. Nigga play me to the left, I bet this pistol get him right.
KP on the beat.
Yeah, before I jump in my feelings, I jump in my, yeah, I jump in my, yeah. Hey, before I jump in my feelings, I jump in my bag. Woke up, I was winning. Went to sleep, I was in last. I don't know what I'm doing, but I ain't doing bad. I don't know where I'm going, but I ain't going bad. Oh no, I ain't doing that. I might take off on the jet skis. I'm just trying to find peace. Thank the Lord can see to bless me. I'm just trying to find peace. Yeah, I'm just trying to find peace. I'm just tryna find peace. I'm just tryna find me. Fuck if you don't down the ride, I'ma come behind me. Nigga, they just talk about it. I'ma really go and do it. I don't wanna talk about it. Nigga, I've been going through it. My first child moved out of state. Me and his mama staying to it. Even when they was home, she called my phone, I'm coming through it. They know they could get the world. If it's mine, why wouldn't I do it? I done took so many losses, still a way I made it through it. They don't ask me how I'm doing. They just ask me what I did. They don't know I got it on my own. Nobody help, cause I'm too real. These niggas counterfeit, cut it out before I trust a bitch. Gotta watch who you be talking to. These niggas like discussing shit. Hey, I jump in my feelings, I jump in my bag. Woke up, I was winning. Went to sleep, I was in last. I don't know what I'm doing, but I ain't doing bad. I don't know where I'm going, but I ain't going bad. Oh no, I ain't doing that. I might take off on the jet skis. I'm just trying to find peace. Thank the Lord can see to bless me. I'm just trying to find peace. Yeah, I'm just trying to find peace. I done left that in the past, please don't come remind me. I can't trust a soul, so when I move, that ain't on side me. Nigga, I'm a boss, refuse to let a nigga hide me. I got 3 little boys and 1 little girl, and they admire me. I jump in my feelings, I jump in my bag. Woke up, I was winning, went to sleep, I was in last. I don't know what I'm doing, but I ain't doing bad. I don't know where I'm going, but I ain't going bad. Oh no, I ain't doing that. I might take off on the jet skis, I'm just trying to find peace. Thank the Lord can see to bless me, I'm just trying to find peace. Hey, I'm just trying to find peace. I'm just trying to find peace. I'm just trying to find me. Fuck if you don't down the ride, I'ma come behind me. Hey, I'm just trying to find peace. Hey. I swear all my niggas, they gon' ride. I swear all my niggas slinging 9. I swear all my niggas, they gon' ride. Yeah, I swear all my niggas slinging 9. I swear, it's gon' be 100 bullets flying. It's gon' be 100 niggas dying. I swear all my niggas, they gon' ride. Yeah, I swear all my niggas slinging 9. I swear, it's gon' be 100 bullets flying. It's gon' be 100 niggas dying. I swear, it's gon' be 100 mamas crying. I was behind my niggas slinging 9. Bitch, you dying. Pull up with that 40 fucking 9. You gon' get your ass wasted just like some time. Look, bitch, I'm full of surgeons, ain't no wine. Nigga getting on my nerves with all his line. Next nigga put my name up in his rhyme. I'ma put his whole body on his eye. Nigga thinking I'm stances, ain't replying. Don't make me go to tripping on my mind. Hitters post on your block just like a sign. Bitch, I spaz you cause your cousin, that's my dog, be on my mind. I ain't lying. Nigga wanna be famous to his face on Channel 9. Yeah. It's gon' be 100 mamas crying. I was behind my niggas slinging 9. Bitch, you dying. It's gon' be 100 bullets flying. I was behind my niggas slinging 9, yeah. I swear all my niggas, they gon' ride, yeah. I swear all my niggas slinging 9. I swear, it's gon' be 100 bullets flying. It's gon' be 100 niggas dying. I swear all my niggas, they gon' ride, yeah. I swear all my niggas slinging 9. I swear, it's gon' be 100 bullets flying. It's gon' be 100 niggas dying. I swear, cause these niggas snakes and ain't no nigga taking mine. Bitch, it ain't a game, so ain't no nigga playing with mine. Shit, I ain't lying. It get hectic with Smith and Wesson. It's a headshot since you chasing. I refuse to have my mama fucking stressing. It's about time you learn your lesson. You gon' fail if you come test me. This ain't Nike, you can't check me. Behind my dog will leave you resting. Stick his ass up since he flexing. What you mad, the Lord bless me. If I miss, the Lord bless you. Yeah. It's gon' be 100 mamas crying. I was behind my niggas slinging 9. Bitch, you dying. It's gon' be 100 bullets flying. I was behind my niggas slinging 9, yeah. I swear all my niggas, they gon' ride, yeah. I swear all my niggas slangin' out. I swear, it's gon' be 100 bullets flying. It's gon' be 100 niggas dying. I swear all my niggas, they gon' ride, yeah. I swear all my niggas slangin' out. I swear, it's gon' be 100 bullets flying. It's gon' be 100 niggas dying. I swear. Huh? I'm tired of niggas. Tired of world shit. Bow. I'm tired of looking out for them. I'm tired of playing cool. I'm tired of looking out for niggas that won't see me lose. I'm tired of people in my mix and people on my dick. I'm tired of bitches wanna fuck because a nigga rich. I'm tired of niggas with they handouts who ain't give me shit. I'm tired of niggas mouthing off who ain't gonna do me shit. I'm tired of showing niggas love, that shit that over with. Ain't no need to hold no fucking grudge, that shit that over with. Ain't no need to put my trust in you, that shit that over with. Ain't no need to come with less than two, that shit that over with. If I fall off, what I'm gonna do? It just be over with. Niggas acting like they there for you until they owe you shit. Niggas acting like they down to ride until it's time to drive. Acting like they down to go and slide when time they run inside. Nigga asking for to keep it real, they still be telling lies. Gotta keep myself from all these clowns, they catch you by surprise. I'm no longer taking sorries, no more apologize. Let you slide once, you try that same shit 100 times. Before I let you crash up in my lane, I get you out of mind. Thinking you gon' trick me out my spot, you must be out your mind. I'm tired of looking out for them, I'm tired of playing cool. I'm tired of looking out for niggas that won't see me lose. I'm tired of people in my mix and people on my dick. I'm tired of bitches wanna fuck because a nigga rich. I'm tired of niggas with they handouts who ain't give me shit. I'm tired of niggas mouthing off who ain't gonna do me shit. I'm tired of showing niggas love, that shit that over with. Ain't no need to hold no fucking grudge, that shit that over with.
Bitch, we bring them choppers out. Ain't no back and forth, bitch, we bring them choppers out. Ain't no need to talking, bitch, we bring them choppers out. Man, them niggas hiding when we bring them choppers out. Bring them choppers out, bring them choppers out. Ain't no back and forth, bitch, we bring them choppers out. Man, these niggas hiding when we bring them choppers out. Wish a nigga would slide, bitch, we bring them choppers out. Bring them choppers out, better watch them out. All that shit they talking, we gon' see what that's about. Niggas clout chase, kill 'em for some clout. Burn 'em like some pepper, since they throwing salt. I ain't gotta ask, come see what that's about. I know why they hate, I know what that's about. Motherfucker bitch, I can go without, I get lots of money, nigga watch your thought. Nigga I'm big busy, nigga I'm a boss. Check my left wrist, nigga that's a house. This nigga think he high, just don't know how much he costs. Nigga 35 just to knock his ass out. Best stay in your place, best stay on my mix. Looking for your bitch, probably on my dick. Young niggas want motion, niggas send a blitz. You gon' see me flash like I'm tryna take a pic. Bitch, we bring them choppers out. Ain't no back and forth, bitch, we bring them choppers out. Ain't no need to talking, bitch, we bring them choppers out. Man, them niggas hiding when we bring them choppers out. Bring them choppers out, bring them choppers out. Ain't no back and forth, bitch, we bring them choppers out. Man, these niggas hiding when we bring them choppers out. Wish a nigga would slide, bitch, we bring them choppers out. Slide for slide, head for head, nigga on with that, I turn up to the max. Nigga think they pressure top, put them in my pack. All these niggas, they my sons like I had them on my sack. Man, these niggas know what Sam, they know I'm a threat. Ask what happened to the last dog, ain't make it to the vet. Nigga, motherfucker fight, you gon' die, throw up your set. Came to the club for just a bit, but you gon' leave me in a mess. Bitch, we bring them choppers out. Ain't no back and forth, bitch, we bring them choppers out. Ain't no need to talking, bitch, we bring them choppers out. Man, them niggas hiding when we bring them choppers out. Bring them choppers out, bring them choppers out. Ain't no back and forth, bitch, we bring them choppers out. Man, these niggas hiding when we bring them choppers out. Wish a nigga would slide, bitch, we bring them choppers out.
young nigga with more shit. The biggest ever do this third world shit, young nigga with more shit, man. Hey.
Damn, Jam, this shit a vibe.
Nigga time to stay home. No fuck all that. I met these niggas like a fake chain. Tryna bust they brains.
Yeah, nigga, I do what I want, you do what you can. Nigga, I'm a boss, you a fucking middleman. Anywhere I go, I'm good, even in the can. Nigga, fuck support, I blow just like a fan. Nigga, shots fired, man down, case closed. Nigga, smile up in your face, but hate you on the low. I say these niggas picking signs, that's why I ride dolo. Don't need no fall partner, I can take my choice solo. Yeah, do you feel me? Real recognize, real niggas winning. Niggas broke as fuck, bad attention, you can't keep them wrong. Soon as a nigga coming up, watch how they bring you down. Yeah, do you feel me? I say real recognize, real niggas winning. They gon' hate you to the end. I told a bitch I'm in my bag, I'm trying to bag it up again. Ain't got no feelings for no that bitch. When you ain't got no money, people treat you like you're not shit. Look, not a table turn. Niggas wait in line, just wait your motherfucking turn. Bitch, respect my mind and fuck the bridges that I burn. All this money I done earned, all this motherfucking love I show, I didn't get in return. If you keep your mouth closed and listen, nigga, you can learn. Tryna fight fire with fire, nigga, get your ass burned. Nigga, I do what I want, you do what you can. Nigga, I'm a boss, you a fucking middleman. Anywhere I go, I'm good, even in the can. Nigga, fuck support, I blow just like a fan. Nigga, shots fired, man down, case closed. Nigga, smile up in your face, but hate you on the low. I say these niggas picking signs, that's why I ride dolo. Don't need no fall partner, I can take my choice solo. Yeah.
one. Bitch, it's time to go on jig. Go on jig, go on jig. I just popped another one. Bitch, it's time to go on jig.